Australia on Saturday criticised China for failing to provide a satisfactory explanation for inadequate notice of a live-fire drill between Australia and New Zealand, which forced commercial airlines to reroute flights. Australia's Defence Minister Richard Marles said the government did not yet have a satisfactory answer from China as to the question of the notice of the drills, which he has said was disconcerting for commercial aviation. When we do an activity of this kind, we would typically give 12 to 24 hours notice, Marles told broadcaster 9 Entertainment, according to a transcript. A satisfactory answer is why that couldn't have been done. On Friday, airlines including Qantas, Emirates and Air New Zealand modified flight paths between Australia and New Zealand after China broadcast a message that its Navy would hold live fire exercises in international waters off the coast of Australia's New South Wales state. Australia's Defence Force said there was no imminent risk of danger to Australian or New Zealand assets, the government said on Friday. China did comply with international law, and that's important to not suggest that that wasn't the case, Prime Minister Anthony Albanese said on Saturday in remarks televised by the Australian Broadcasting Corp.